Here I'm going to go through some of the functions of the Magic John Mini Pocket Selfie Stick. You can angle this arm up and we mount the phone on the side of this arm. We mount the phone and spin it so you can hold the phone steady. You can adjust the tightness of this arm so you can keep it whatever angle you like it at. You can extend it out about a foot so you can get a good distance for your selfie shot. You can also press this button on the bottom to extend the legs so you can set up as a tripod to take shots from a distance as well. Also comes with two LED lights that mounts to one holder, and you can adjust these lights from brightness from 3 different. Also, if you want to keep the lights on and still small enough also remove the easy buttons so you could take photos or videos from a distance like